Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Temperature.
What does the dictionary say?
The degree or intensity of heat present in a substance or object, often expressed according to a thermometer or perceived by touch.
Math rap.
Whether walking on land or sailing the seas, everything and everyone's affected by degrees. Boiling hot, freezing cold, or just right, we can measure in Celsius or Fahrenheit.
Math rap.
Explain temperature in your own words. Do you prefer hot or cold weather? Why? Do you prefer hot or cold drinks? Why? At what temperature does water freeze in Celsius? In Fahrenheit. At what temperature does water boil in Fahrenheit? In Celsius. Why is it colder on top of a mountain? Isn't the mountaintop closer to the sun? Research. What is the optimum body temperature for a human? A cat. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!